Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Shadab, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how we buy a pillow from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to install the Aliexpress application on your mobile phone. After that, you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here's it. I am writing here pillow. After writing pillow, you have to search for a pillow, and you see it different symbol are came in front of you. So basically I am going to click on this one. Here's it, this one. So here's it, 7 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you, class visa vibration needing 40 degrees heating. Here is another one. Here is another sample, 2 groups of massage head, circular rotatory massage, relief muscle, side face support area, massage area, side face support area. Heated vibration needing massage, vibrating needing heating, high frequency vibration motor ingenious force on the neck and neck to relax the neck, skin, relieve neck and shoulder pain. 3 to 5 seconds slow rebound memory cotton. So here's it, fine and soft memory back cotton. Smart charging, lasting battery life, no need to plug in when using, solve the trouble of traditional massage equipment. Here's it, high quality air filter, cotton sheath. Here's it, full fleshed delicate texture, soft feel, can also be used for sensitive skin. When used it is close to the skin, such as the spring breeze on the face. Here's your 2000 mAh lithium battery, charging time is about 2 hours USB charge. Here's your 24 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Different length is also given here. And here is product A, function Bluetooth vibration needing heating. Advantage, suitable for skin sensitive people. The fabric is soft and close to the skin and has thickness. The red light of heating is not obvious. You can feel the heat after using it for 2 to 3 minutes. Vibration needing heating, suitable for people who like hot compress. The fabric is soft, breathable and thin. It can feel the heating temperature better. The heating function can be controlled separately. Vibration needing heating, suitable for people who like that hot compress. The fabric is soft, breathable and thin. It can feel the heating temperature better. The heating function can be controlled separately. Vibration only, vibration function economic and applicable, single function, simple operation. So basically we talk about the price of this one, then you see it peak at 7,133 rupees. If we talk about the original price, then the original price is PKR 294,087 rupees, but after 70% off you can buy it only in PKR 7,133 rupees. Price on before tax, free shipping, electric neck massage, U-shaped pillow, multifunctional portable shoulder, cervical massage, outdoor home car relaxing massage. Here to see it, 4.8 stars is given and more than 500 is already sold. So basically we talk about the specifications, then you see it, application, neck, item type, massage and relaxation, material cotton, ABS, size medium, brand name class visa, origin made in China and certification C. So here's it, a service 75-day buyer production, delivery free shipping from China with AliExpress selection, standard estimated delivery 70 days to Pakistan. Here's it, 104 reviews is given, out of which 7 is very good, 4 is works well, 3 is great quality, 2 is good quality and 2 is perfect grade. Here's it, perfectly function. I arrived fast, buying with paid market earlier than expected and very well cared for with battery. So here's it. If you so basically if to buy this one, then you see the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this one. Thanks for watching this video.